Hi, it's April Braswell, Midlife Dating Coach. You can find me at aprilbraswell.com and do sign up there for my easing and you'll get 10 secret lessons for getting a great boyfriend or girlfriend and doing that at midlife. So I've got a couple of tips here today around creating a great midlife dating profile to post online or in one of the apps. And there are a couple of attributes and a couple of characteristics you want to keep in mind. First of all, with your profile in general, first of all, you're probably actually single who is, if you're over 40 and over 50, then you're more likely to be someone who is widowed or divorced, widowed like myself, and there are some who are single, never married in that category, and I've got a couple of clients in their 50s where that is the case. So you want to manage how you look online, and you want to manage your profile in a way that, think about it, what the goal for internet dating is you're actually looking to get to that great first date. You're not just looking to be like your millennial counterparts who want to be texting and messaging forever and maybe never actually meet. So remember, the goal for internet dating is you want to get to the first date. You want to meet them. So keep your profile, start thinking of it in terms, you want to make sure that your profile is something that stands out and where, remember, you're selling yourself. You don't want it just a sea of sameness. You want to be putting attributes about yourself into your profile around what a great companion you would be, what a great life companion you would be. What are some of the fun activities that you participate in that someone could see themselves next to you and sharing in doing that activity? Maybe you would like to go to the farmer's market on the weekend or a weekday, if that's actually when your farmer's market is the way that it is sometimes here in Orange County. So you want to be showing some of the interesting things about you that you like to do that someone could picture herself, picture himself sharing with you. Maybe you like to go dancing, maybe you do square dancing, maybe you do contra, or maybe you've just started doing ballroom dancing. Put some of those unique attributes, weave them into the text in your profile so that you stand out amongst a sea of sameness from all the other dating profiles out there. So please do subscribe there in my channel, and I'm going to be doing a series here about some of the attributes and positive characteristics you want to put into your dating profile at midlife to meet some really great singles and hopefully get a great boyfriend or girlfriend. Happy dating and relationships. It's April Braswell.